Okay, guys, so this is what happened to me. Jesus, Lord, take the wheel. I get a flat tire, a block from the show, and the first thought is I'm just going to go ahead and replace the tire, not put the spare on, because, you know what, I'd rather Jesus, Lord, take the wheel. And there's my truck getting towed. Yes, girls, I got a flat tire. So yeah, I'm heading to get that tire checked and changed, get a new tire. $327 later, I'm getting the Michelin, girls, because I travel. And that's what I use on the Porsche, and I recommend you girls to get that as well. All right, here I go, stay tuned. I'm heading to the show. Well, actually, I'm heading to go get the tire changed, but I'm heading to the show. Okay, see you then, guys. This is proven. This is a hairpiece for my bangs. It's windy today. Nah, it's still hanging in there. What do you think, girls? Pretty cool. And this hairpiece is holding on for dear life. Ah.
W-O-Y.
Ooh, look at this.
I don't need my phone unless I need to take it off.
Okay, fine, bye. So if you noticed, I was wearing a clip-on earlier in the video. Well, I took that off at dinner time, and one of the gentlemen there at our table put it on his head, and it was epic. You couldn't even write that. We could not stop laughing for the whole dinner. And till this day, 2 years later, they still talk about that moment. So yes, I had the most wonderful time with the great, cool friends that are basically from California, but they all have homes out there in Havasu. So yeah, I have to say, you know, it's always a blessing to leave LA because Arizona, it's so quiet and peaceful. And again, guys, I hope to continue doing the car shows out that way. It is, if you notice, it's kind of hard for me to get up there from California because I don't know, every time I go up there, I have a little issue with my auto or with the trailer. But at all rate, I'm still going to get there no matter what. I love you guys. I will see you again this year, 2026, and hopefully at other events. But thank you for participating. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. At the bottom of the screen on your TV, you just click on the like button and then subscribe if you want to get more videos like this. And you'll get, you know, more as we go. Thank you again, guys. See you at the next one.
Here I come.